Hello friends! In this video, we'll learn together how to recover deleted files from your computer using free and easy methods. Whether you've accidentally deleted your files or lost them after formatting, don't worry. I'll guide you step by step to successfully restore your files. Let's get started. The first step is to check the recycle bin. Open the recycle bin on your desktop. Look for the deleted files. If you find the files, right-click on them and select Restore. The files will be restored to their original location. If the files aren't in the recycle bin, you can try restoring them from previous versions. Navigate to the folder that contained the deleted file. Right-click on the folder and select Properties. Go to the Previous Versions tab. Choose the version that contains the desired file and click Restore. This method relies on the System Restore feature in Windows. If the above methods don't work, you can use the free Recuva software. Download and install Recuva from the official website. Open the program and select the type of file you want to recover: pictures, documents, videos, etc. Click Scan to start searching for deleted files. After completion, a list of recoverable files will appear. Select the desired files and click Recover. It's recommended to save the recovered files to a different location to avoid overwriting data. By following these steps, you can easily recover your deleted files. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. Thanks for watching.